Hi, and welcome to this brief introduction to the ExpertusONE Mobile application. This app, written for both the iOS as well as Android devices, blends our award-winning desktop application with the benefits of a mobile device, such as GPS, voice commands, and other features that most of us use in our everyday life. So let's take a look at a couple specific examples within this elevated modern mobile experience. Let's start out with the learner experience. By launching the application and clicking to the home dashboard, the learner is presented with several variables and statistics that will impact their learning and development on a daily basis. Things to be done, overall progress, time spent on different courses, with each of the graphs, each of the metrics, and everything being fully touch enabled as the user wishes to drill down. For example, drilling into the enrollments, the purple section there brings us to the specific courses that we are looking at. Let's take another look at some of the learner capabilities. If we go into the My Learner section, this offers the courses, the ILT courses, the web-based courses, video, SCORM, and so forth that I have been enrolled in. You will notice here on the screen that in a couple cases where the content is accessible to the mobile device, that I can actually download this information, the content, to the mobile, go offline from the network, play the course, take the assessment or any other content that's associated with this particular learning object, and once connected back to the network, all of my interactions, scores, and activity will be synchronized back to the server for reporting and analytic purposes later on. We should also take a look at the catalog function. From the learner perspective, the full catalog is available for registration purposes with the information about courses that are compliance courses or mandated courses, courses that I'm already enrolled in that I can just simply launch on, or even courses that involve some type of e-commerce activity where I can integrate to the phone services to pay for those courses and content that I need to choose. Let's take another look at a different role. Let's look at the instructor role, because the mobile device actually supports the abilities and the capabilities for the learner role, the manager role, as well as the instructor role. So as an instructor, where I've been assigned to teach several classes, you can see that one of the classes that I've been assigned to teach is this Excel Tips and Tricks class. So as I click into the class, it's very easy for me to see my overall data and enrollment information. If I wish to find out how to get to this particular location, I simply click on the map details, and this will provide me with the information, including a full-blown Google Maps or Waze, whatever application you might be using on your mobile device. And then finally, even the ability here to go in and mark the enrollments. Now, one of the things that we can actually do here, in addition to the manual marking of enrollments by the instructor, because we're using a mobile device that typically has the GPS and location services enabled, if the student shows up at the class and they have the mobile app on their device, the system will automatically use the GPS services to sense that they're physically inside of the classroom and automatically mark them as enrolled so that the user doesn't have to do that. Thirdly, let's go in as a manager and just take a quick look at the team capabilities. So from a manager's perspective, I can quickly come in here, see my direct as well as my indirect, my dotted line or matrix responsibility or project manager responsibilities. I can see the various people there, and once again with a simple drill down, it's very easy to get to the details. For example, if I want to go into Andreas and see her enrollments, I can see that. As a matter of fact, one of the other things that I can do directly here is come in and mark her complete for the class. If she has joined the organization but has the experience of an assigned class, I can actually override the mandate as well as, in this particular case, I can reject her approval. So the functionality of the manager approval and rejection is built into our mobile device as well. A couple other things that I can do here, if I go back as the manager, and this would work even as an administrator, is the capability to do analytics. So as a manager responsibility or an administrator responsibility, the analytics to do things like user enrollments, a simple one click, and I drill down into that information, and once again I can come into who is enrolled in the specific class. Finally, again, as a manager or as an administrator, taking advantage of one of the other features of the mobile device is the ability to issue voice commands, which we all probably do to say call home or issue some other command to your phone. Well, watch what happens when I issue a voice command to my tablet here. Compare Fred and Andreas. My voice has now been taken by my mobile tablet, and the system is now doing a comparison of one of my employees to another. These same voice commands can be used as I'm adding courses to various users. I want to enroll them in a course. It might be used to automatically push out a survey to one or more individuals who are taking a class. All this information is available directly here within our mobile device. I want to thank you for taking the time to review the ExpertusONE mobile application. With our history of creating innovative products and solutions, we look forward to this app providing value and productivity to our customers. Thank you.